Most people post on social media every day and still don't grow. Not because they lack talent, but because they don't understand the system behind growth. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to master social media marketing from beginner to expert step by step. If you want more followers, better engagement, and real results from your content, this is the only guide you need. Whether you're a creator, follower. As an entrepreneur or brand builder, I'll break down the strategies professionals use to grow and monetize social media the smart way. Let's get into it. Welcome to this tutorial on mastering social media marketing. We'll cover strategies for creators and businesses. From content creation to paid ads, you'll learn how to grow. Let's dive into the first steps. Today, we're exploring what social media marketing really is. It's not just about posting, it's a strategic way to connect with your audience, build relationships, and drive real results for your business. Let's dive in. Social media marketing is not just posting content. It's the process of attracting attention, building trust, and turning viewers into loyal followers or customers using strategic content. 3 goals drive successful social media marketing. Visibility, people discover you. Connection, people trust you. Conversion, people take action. If one is missing, growth slows down. Choose your platform strategy. Don't try everything. Each platform has a different purpose. YouTube is ideal for building authority, creating tutorials, driving long-term traffic, and monetizing your content. The key is educational content with storytelling and deep value for your audience. Let's explore how to apply this. The best platform for fast growth, it's TikTok. Why? Number 1, viral reach. Number 2, incredible discoverability. And 3, short direct deck content with strong hooks. For Instagram, Reels, carousels, and relatable posts are best for personal branding and community building. Reels drive engagement, carousels build authority, relatable posts, this combo is key for visual storytelling and growth. Facebook is ideal for building community loyalty and engaging older audiences through groups and shares. Its discussion posts are perfect for a motivational connotation that's essential, impactful content. Your content pillars are the foundation of your growth. Pick 3 to 5 core topics you always talk about. This establishes your expertise and keeps your content focused. That's how you build a loyal audience. Define your content pillars, your growth foundation. Pick 3 to 5 core topics you always talk about. These pillars create your unique voice and attract your audience. Build your strategy on this solid foundation. For marketing creators, focus on 5 key pillars: education with tips and tutorials, motivation and a mindset, industry insights, and practical tools. Why does this matter? Algorithms reward consistency of topic. Let's talk about content marketing. Focus on these 5 pillars: education, motivation, personal journey, insights, and tools. Why does this matter? Because algorithms reward consistency of topic. Stick to your niche for betting this today. All platforms push content based on what gets engagement. Clicks, likes, comments, and watch time are the main signals. The algorithm rewards that keeps people on the platform. That's the simple version. If you want to keep people watching longer, focus on watch time. It's the metric that matters. Boost engagement with questions, likes, comments, and shares. Ask directly. Consistency and retention are key. Now, go create. The viral content formula. Use this structure for almost every post. First, hook them with a strong opener. Build desire by addressing a pain point. Finally, call them to action. That's it. To make your content go viral, use this simple formula. First, an irresistible hook to grab attention. Second, deliver real value that resonates. And third, make it shareable to spark engagement. Stop scrolling. You're posting wrong, and here's why. If you want real growth, you need to fix this now. Let me show you how. Let's talk about value. It has 3 parts. First, identify the benefits you offer. Second, quantify the impact for your audience. A common mistake is focusing on features saves time. That is value. Do this daily and your engagement will double. It's that simple. Consistency builds loyalty, and loyalty drives growth. Start today, you'll see results faster than you think. Follow for daily marketing tips. Save this post. Comment guide below. Engage with us, and let's grow together. Let's talk about content types that grow fast. First, short-form videos. They're quick, engaging, and perfect for social media. Next up, podcasts. They're light for building authority and deep connections and community. Want to grow from 0 to 1,000 followers? Here's how. First, know your audience. What do they care about? Create consistent, valuable content. Third, engage with your community. Finally, use relevant hashtags. Low views? Fix this one mistake. The problem is weak hooks. Viewers scroll past. The solution? Start with a bold promise. Promise a clear benefit and watch your views grow. People connect with stories more than tips. For example, sharing how I failed before learning this strategy creates a real connection. That's the power of storytelling. Let's look at some real case studies to show what works. In one study, a targeted strategy led to a 40% increase in conversions. The breakdown, optimized messaging, and timing were key to that result. Which platform is hardest to grow on? Is it Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube? What challenges have you faced? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about a simple weekly posting strategy. Daily structure: one short video for TikTok or Reels and one engagement post or story. This builds consistency and keeps your audience engaged. For my weekly content, I aim for 3 to 5 short videos, one long YouTube video, and 2 carousel posts. Consistency beats perfection. First, research trending topics to find what your audience wants. Then, write hooks first to grab attention immediately. Batch record your videos to maximize efficiency. Finally, schedule your content. Create once, post everywhere. When using hashtags and SEO for social media, avoid vague terms like FIP and viral. Instead, use searchable keywords like social media marketing, digital marketing tips, and content strategy. This approach helps your content get discovered. Keywords and titles are crucial for search engines. Make them clear and use keywords in your captions, and helps if keyword is in on-screen text. This reinforces your content for better rankings. Engagement strategy. Most creators ignore this. Growth comes from conversations. To grow your audience, make these daily actions a habit. Reply to every comment on similar creators, ask questions in captions, pin meaningful comments. Engagement signals value to the algorithm. Monetization paths. Once you grow, you can earn through brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, digital products, coaching and services, YouTube monetization, and paid communities. Audience first. Money follows. Let's talk about the key analytics you need to track. Watch time, saves, shares, follower growth, and click-through rate. If people watch your content longer, it directly increases your growth. Focus on these to succeed. Let's talk about common social media mistakes to avoid. First, posting without a clear strategy. Second, copying trends blindly. Third, inconsistent posting. And fifth, ignoring audience comments. Welcome to the 90-day growth plan. Month 1 is about learning your audience and staying consistent. In month 2, we'll focus on improving hooks and mastering storytelling to really engage. Let's dive in. Month 3, optimize winning content and repeat formats. Success comes from repetition, not randomness. You don't grow by posting more. You grow by posting clearer, more valuable content consistently. Show up, improve weekly, stay focused on helping people. That's how brands are built online. Now you understand how social media marketing really works. The next step is simple. Take one strategy from this video and start applying it today. Progress comes from action, not perfection. If this helped you, like the video, share it with someone building their brand, and subscribe for more practical marketing strategies every week. Remember, your growth online starts the moment you decide to show up consistently. I'll see you in the next video.